we're going to go ahead and do a cold start. This thing was started about 24 hours ago. Still has the original Quadrajet on it. Does have electric choke. Oil pressure. Again, the motor has a little bit less than 30,000 miles on it. Charging well. It does have the clock, which was, I think, part of the limited edition. That still works good. Temp gauge works. Fuel gauge works. Air conditioning works. There's the original radio. Horn works. Tilt works. Wiper fluid works, cruise works. It's a pretty sweet truck. It has like a turbo muffler on it. It's actually pretty quiet. It does have a clutch fan. Those are LED now, the side marker. LED fronts as well.